To bulk add products to your Wix store using a CSV file, follow these steps for a smooth process. Prepare your CSV file. Make sure your CSV file includes essential product information such as product name, description, SKU, price, inventory, and images. Each product should be on a separate row, with each attribute in a separate column. You can download Wix's CSV template from the product manager to guide you in formatting the file correctly. Log into Wix. Go to your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to add products to. Navigate to the product manager. Click Store Products from the Wix dashboard and open the product manager. Import products. In the product manager, click Import at the top of the page. Choose Upload CSV and select the prepared CSV file from your computer. Wix will preview your file, matching the CSV columns with product attributes. Make sure the columns align correctly. Complete the import. After confirming the details, click Import to add the products to your store. Review the products to ensure everything looks correct.